How to share Facebook Reels on Instagram automatically. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Now tap on Account Center. Now under Connected Experiences, simply tap on Sharing across profiles. Now from this page, simply tap on Add Accounts. Now simply log in into Instagram account. Now once you log in, simply go back, then tap on Facebook. Now next to Facebook Reels, simply tap on Setup, then tap on Allow, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.